folks, it's the it's just a little parts update. I did what do you call it? I sent a. If you haven't been watching, I'm excited because I gotta. Can you read that? All balls or no balls or go home. Anyway, it's a pivot bearing, a pivot arm, swing arm seal kit and bearings. Yay! This is new. I picked up this, which isn't very exciting. It's even though I already have a new one. I was looking for it, I couldn't find one. And this little piece that goes on the front triple tree. I have to buy this with it because it came with it. So I have a brand new cap, and I have an extra one in case I put two of them, just in case the other one's missing, in case this one's all rotted out. So I got that, and what do you call it? I'll be taking these apart, the throttle bodies apart, because I'm going to be sending those to get powder coated. And the only other new thing I really got, I'm waiting for shocks. I got some sweet and tacky chewing gum. I mean grease. It's definitely tacky. Smells terrible. Anyway, I got that. I think I can use tacky grease in there. I don't know. I got to check what kind of grease goes in there and how much you grease it up. Probably got to watch 500 more YouTube videos. Yeah, so I can put that on. I'm waiting for the shock and all. And once I get the shocks, I'll be working on the transmission that is probably in the shed in my storage. I'm going to get the transmission. I'll do a video of me taking it apart, cleaning it, and just cleaning it and cleaning it and cleaning it and cleaning it. And I think I have a place where I can hose it off with some aluminum bright and hose it off and get it nice and clean. I'm not sure if I'm depending on the shape of the rear, not drive shaft, differential, what shape it's in, if I'm gonna paint it or powder coat it or what. But I'm gonna try to get it on there, try to get it all set up, and see if I get everything mocked up before I tighten everything up and go. And I'm also missing the rear wheels. So with that said, on to the next video. Thanks for watching. A little update there. I'm gonna tap a video and show what goes on in that bike. So no, I'm probably not gonna do it tonight. I might just go fiddle with it because I'm so excited to get the bike finally. When you've been taking apart this, taking as long as I have put this bike apart, which is about a year, it's finally exciting because within maybe end of January, this thing will be on wheels. Like, yeah, it'll be back to wheels. It might have handlebars. It might have all the little accoutrements, and it may not have an engine. So that's in February. I might hunt down probably. I don't know. I'm thinking of actually buying a donor TRX 250. Either an 86 or an 87. I was thinking maybe put an 87 engine in, an 87 engine TRX engine and an 86 three-wheeler. I don't know if I'll have to find out, put a 300 engine in it. That'd be cool. I don't know because I don't have to change the wiring. I don't know if you have to modify the wiring harness and shit. So who knows? I don't want to play with wiring harnesses. I know a TRX thing should fit in there no problem. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.